In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can factory reset Roomba i8. So what you need to do is really simple. There are two things that you can try. So the first thing that you can try is you just want to press and hold the home button, the clean button, and the spot button at the same time. You're just going to press and hold it for about 20 seconds. Then you will see the light will illuminate on the clean, and then it's going to do the reset for you. So if you can connect it, if possible the charging is there is issue. So this is something that you can try. Another thing for rebooting the Roomba i8, what you need to do is just press and hold the clean button up to 20 seconds. Again, the same process. So you're gonna press and hold the clean button for about 20 seconds, and then it's going to do factory reset. What you can even try to do, maybe this is going to work if you have some issue with it. So what you want to do is just want to press 3 times the clean button for like hold it for 20 seconds, like get it out of the dock, hold it for 20 seconds. Okay, then you want to hold it again for 20 seconds, and then what you can do is just want to press home, the clean, and the spot buttons at the same time. You want to press and hold for again 20 seconds, and the light will illuminate. So let me down in the comments. I just wanted to make this quick video for you. I hope it's going to be beneficial. It's going to help you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.